Sometimes progress begins with just a spark, an idea, a vision, a pulse. Since 1889, bedra has turned that spark into something real.
Something you can trust.
Something you can believe. Something you can build upon. What began as wire is now a global network of expertise, technology, and trust. We are bedra. Our story is built on precision and courage. Courage to redefine quality. Courage to pioneer the impossible. Courage not just to evolve, but to transform. The world is changing. We're not keeping up. We're setting the pace. At Bedra, we lead the world in precision wires, rods, and alloys for spark erosion, welding, brazing, for electronics, custom solutions, and more. Each year, we deliver millions of kilometers of high-performance precision wires and alloys across more than 400 custom alloys through a fully integrated production chain. Foundry casting, rolling, drawing, annealing, precision electroplating, total traceability, unmatched process control, exceptional quality at every step. And we're not stopping at metal. We're creating intelligent alloys for solutions with impact, smart geometries with purpose, digital services that simplify processes and sharpen your edge. Because our metals aren't just materials, they're enablers for safer mobility, for resilient medical tech, for high-efficiency electronics, for the systems that move modern life. It begins with a spark, and the future? It belongs to the visionary, to those chasing the spark, to the bold, the different, to those who build together. This is who we are, enabling progress since 1889. Bedra, intelligent alloys, shaping the future with you.